Welcome to an exciting learning experience. Let me introduce you to Coohom, a cutting-edge design application that operates seamlessly on a cloud server. To run this application smoothly, all you need is a basic system capable of running AutoCAD effortlessly and a robust internet connection. The standout feature of Coohom is its remarkable rendering speed, with a maximum rendering time of just 5 minutes for high-resolution outputs. With a strong internet connection, you can generate stunning renders in seconds, setting it apart from other design software. Speed and efficiency are paramount, allowing you to swiftly design and deliver high-quality outputs to clients, significantly reducing turnaround time compared to other tools. In addition to speed, Coohom excels in lighting design. The application provides templates for lighting, making the process of illuminating your designs a breeze. A crucial aspect of any design is its lighting, and Coohom ensures you have the tools to perfect it effortlessly. Connecting to Coohom is simple, whether through Wi-Fi or a hotspot, but a stable connection is essential for smooth cloud-based operations. The cloud setup brings multiple advantages. Every project is stored securely in the cloud, eliminating the risk of system memory overload or potential hangups. Automatic saving ensures that your work is never lost, even in the face of network issues or unexpected interruptions. Upon purchasing the application, you receive a user ID and password. Logging in takes you to the primary interface, where all your projects are conveniently stored. Choosing a project provides two options: View Project and Enter Tool. Entering the tool brings you to the Creative Zone or Viewport, the central hub for all your designing endeavors. The interface is user-friendly, with tools neatly organized on the left and right sides. When it comes to rendering options, Coohom offers versatility. Generate perspective views, 360-degree views, 720-degree VR tour, top views/aerial views, videos, or utilize video templates effortlessly. Adjust resolution and lighting settings on the left, while camera settings are conveniently located on the right. Coohom streamlines the design process further by enabling one-click generation of construction drawings, downloadable in PDF or CAD file formats. Additionally, it simplifies the generation of bill of materials, eliminating the need for external applications for post-processing tasks. In Coohom, you can seamlessly design, render, beautify, create videos, and more, all within one user-friendly application. I hope this overview provides you with a clear understanding of the remarkable capabilities of Coohom.